Hi children, good evening. Already we had discussed about degrees of comparison and in the previous two classes. And today my intention is to check your knowledge and let us have a quick revision. See, two sentences will be given today by me and you want to change the sentences to the other degrees. It is based on degrees of comparison, as I told you many times, number of times. It is one of the easiest questions what you are going to get in the examination, and this is a 2-mark question. So 2 examples I explain. I gave you the homework to write at least 10 times the equations or the formulas belongs to situation 1 and 2, the structure of a sentence in each degrees, both in situation 1 and 2. All you might have got that. And listen very carefully. And here's one of the sentences what I have written on the board, and that is Raja Ravi Verma is one of the most famous artists in India. Raja Ravi Verma is one of the most famous artists in India. And this kind of a sentence you have already got. Actually, it was already asked in recently 10th standard examination. And see, let us have a look at the sentence. Raja Ravi Verma is the subject, is helping verb, and one of the most famous is the superlative adjective. As I told you, famous. This adjective has more than one syllable, famous, more famous, and the most famous. And in this sentence, most famous is used, and just before the superlative adjective, one of the is used. So we can easily understand that this sentence is in situation 2, superlative degree, because superlative form of the adjective is used here. At the same time, one of the has to be used, one of the will be used only in situation 2. So, since this sentence expressed in superlative degree situation 1, we want to change this sentence to positive and comparative degree. As I told you many times, since this sentence expressed in situation 2, in situation 2, positive degree starts from very few, followed by plural form of the object in the sense, soon after the superlative adjective, the remaining part has to be considered as object. Very few artists, plural form, very few artists in India, followed by helping verb are, because artists, this is the plural form of the object, so we have to use the plural form. We never say artists are, we never say. We have to say artists are. Very few artists in India are as famous as I told you, the positive form of the adjective has to be mentioned in between as and as. So, as famous as, then subject Raja Ravi Verma. You might have heard about this person. Such a famous artist, painter he was. So listen, the positive degree of this sentence is the superlative form is Raja Ravi Verma is one of the most famous artists in India. And the positive form of the sentence is very few artists in India, and that is the object. This is the object part. Are, since the object is plural, we have to use are here. Plural form of the helping verb are as famous as Raja Ravi Verma. Hope you understand all we had a discussion about this. Coming to comparative degree. Comparative degree starts from subject, and that is Raja Ravi Verma. Raja Ravi Verma. This is the subject. Raja Ravi Verma. Then helping verb is, and see syllable. Positive, the base form, positive degree, that is famous, the base form. Comparative form is more famous because if the adjective has more than one syllable, we have to use more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. More is more famous. F-A-M-O-U-S. More famous than. In situation 1 we use any other. Here we have to use either many or most. I choose most, then most, other, then object, and that is artist in India. Artist in India. It's very simple. The structure of a sentence belongs to comparative degree. In situation 2, subject followed by helping verb, then comparative form of the adjective. More famous because famous, this adjective has more than one syllable, followed by than, most or many. In place of most, if you want, you can use many, M-A-N-I, many other than object plural, artists in India. Just compare the sentence. The given sentence is in superlative degree. Raja Ravi Verma is one of the most famous artists in India, and the positive form is very few artists in India are as famous as Raja Ravi Verma. In the same manner, comparative degree, Raja Ravi Verma is more famous than most other artists in India, and these sentences are belong to situation 2. And one more example I give you, just consider this as a revision because it is one of the most important questions what you get in the examination. Confirm, you can score 2 marks, belongs to grammar. And see, the second example is such a small sentence I give you based on situation 1. See, example 2. Mumbai is the biggest city in India. And this sentence expressed in superlative degree because biggest, B-I-G-G-E-S-T, E-S-T and is added at the end. So we could easily understand that superlative degree. Since in place of the, before the superlative adjective, the is used. So we could easily understand that it is situation 1. I told you, in situation 1, the plus superlative adjective. For example, the best, in the same as the biggest, the smallest, the longest, the largest, the longest, etc. Whereas in situation 2, one of the plus superlative adjective. Here in this given sentence, the plus superlative adjective is given. So it belongs to situation 1, superlative degree. So we want to change into positive degree and comparative degree. And as I told you, since this sentence expressed in situation 1, positive degree starts from no other, followed by object. Object in the sense, as I told you many times, soon after the superlative adjective, the rest of the part has to be considered as object, and that is city in India. No other city in India. City is singular. So we can use is. As. Then biggest is the superlative form. Big is the positive form. As big as Mumbai. As big as Mumbai. So the positive form is ready here. No other city in India is as big as Mumbai. And the comparative form, as I told you, comparative degree starts from subject. And what is the subject here? And that is Mumbai. And followed by helping verb is. And the comparative form, positive form is comparative form is bigger. Why bigger? You know very well. Big has only one syllable, so we have to use er. Bigger